Well, folks, here we are at Mountain View Chevrolet with another episode of Look What I Traded For, a 2008 Mercury Milan, loaded with features. An amazing four-cylinder engine, incredible fuel economy, lots of power, and fun to drive. I mean, a blast to drive. So much fun, so much power, so much control, incredible handling, and a beautiful sandstone metallic paint. The video cannot do it justice. You've got to see this thing shimmer and sparkle in the sunlight. Good looking set of alloy wheels, a Michelin radial tire wrapped around it, tons of tread remaining on it. Don't forget, just because it's a Ford Mercury product, doesn't mean it hasn't been through a 117-point inspection checklist. It has absolutely been through it and passed. 2 keys, 2 fobs. Anything that needed to be done service-wise has been done. 6-disc CD player with the MP3 capability, guys. That means multiply 150 songs times 6, and that's the amount of audio that you've got the capability in this system. Plus, it has Microsoft Sync. So you've got Bluetooth, your iPod capability to hook up. Gorgeous ebony leather seats. The leather and the appointments wrap right on around to the door panel as well. Chrome-clad and satin aluminum-like interior trim. Airbags everywhere, even the rollover protection airbags. There's you a good look at the driver's cockpit. It is an automatic. Of course, air and all the power features that you're expecting. Amazing legroom in the back seat. Absolutely tons of legroom. Comfortable seating for 5 adults, even for a long trip. And this beautiful sandy metallic paint on the outside is gorgeous. Huge trunk, felt lined, of course. For a luxury car, you expect it. If you need more trunk room, you literally can pull on either side, and I'll show you in a second. You can fold down either part or all of this back seat if you need more cargo room. Flawless leather in the back seat, flawless leather in the front seat. I mean, I'm telling you, it looks like a brand spanking new Mercury Milan. Auto headlamps. Tilt wheel, I can't hardly scrunch down that low. Cruise control, redundant audio controls. Don't forget about Bluetooth and Microsoft Sync. One of the most incredible audio and telephone systems within, voice-activated tone systems within any automobile on the road today. And this one can be yours at Mountain View Chevrolet, downtown Chattanooga, Tennessee. We're always online at yourchevyguys.com, and we're at 310 East 20th Street, Chattanooga, Tennessee.